Hi everyone, my name is Luna. As you all know, we are learning English speaking and listening skill. This storytelling practice will surely enhance our speaking and listening skills, and we will be able to compete the world.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I explore new hiking trails.
How do you stay fit?
I jog every morning.
How do you relax after work?
I read a book.
What's your favorite way to learn new skills?
I watch instructional videos.
How do you keep your house clean?
I vacuum and dust every week.
What hobby do you enjoy the most?
I paint landscapes on weekends.
How do you manage your time effectively?
I use a planner and set reminders.
How do you celebrate special occasions?
I organize a dinner party.
How do you decorate your living space?
I use artwork and plants.
What hobby do you enjoy the most?
I paint landscapes on weekends.
How do you handle stress?
I practice meditation.
How do you stay informed about current events?
I read news articles online.
How do you entertain yourself on rainy days?
I watch movies and play games.
How do you connect with friends?
I call and text regularly.
How do you improve your cooking skills?
I follow recipes and experiment.
How do you motivate yourself to exercise?
I set fitness goals and track progress.
How do you unwind before bed?
I listen to calming music.
How do you prepare for a presentation?
I practice and create visual aids.